Welcome to our podcast.
I'm a software developer by profession, and that's Monday to Friday job. Saturday, Sunday, I become a sound healer, a Reiki healer, and an astrologer.
Here we go. This is my good
I would like to start with the first thing is Dasha. What is Dasha? It is the planetary alignment which is active for you right now.
Yeah.
When I checked your chart today morning, I saw Sun is active right now. In between the Sun energy, you can also see Jupiter activated from 30th November till 19th September.
Okay.
That means Jupiter potential is very much active right now.
So if we are going to look into our career path, the first thing we need to do
is check the Dasha. 10th house tells you what path you should be taking.
Yeah.
But the Dasha tells when that path will activate. So will it activate right
choose
now?
the right timing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So will it activate right now or will it activate next year? So you can see the timings through Dasha.
Okay.
Okay. So now let's see your 10th house. First, we will check your ascendant. Your ascendant is Sagittarius. Where is Jupiter sitting? It is sitting in your 10th house.
Wow.
It is bringing that beautiful wisdom in your 10th house of career.
I can feel that.
Yes. And where exactly is the second lord? The second lord, it is lord of two signs, Sagittarius and Pisces.
Pisces.
So Pisces is 4th house for you and Venus is sitting there. What is it trying to say? That means in your career path, there are 3 houses activated. The first house, the 4th house, and the 10th house. Why the 10th house? Because Jupiter is sitting there. So 1st, 4th, and 10th. Now, what is it trying to tell you? Your career is going to be beautiful, but you have to also use the 1st house energy. That means it has to be self-efforts. If you don't put self-efforts, you might feel lost. How to utilize the 4th house energy? Try working from home or try bringing that nurturing feelings, nurturing for others in your career.
Exactly what I'm doing. That's why I quit my job. Yeah. Bye, boss.
So anything where it is heart-based, divine wisdom you're sharing or working from home, you're putting all of your efforts.
Yeah, or working in the cafe or whatever. Not in the office.
Yes. You will have a beautiful career in that way.
So the first thing we're going to do is to check the timing.
You have a big sun dasha going on from the year 2023 till 2028. So sun is active from all of these years. And in between that, you have a planetary alignment of Jupiter from November 25 till September 26.
So how are we going to choose the right timing for our audience? Is it about like sun or
So
Jupiter?
In that case, they have to open, in case you would like to check, please open your Vedic chart and check the dasha, which is active right now. And in between the dasha, which antardasha is active right now. So that will give you an idea what planetary energy are blessing you. Yes.
I see.
And you should be focusing on that. If you put all of your energy over there, it will bring beautiful alignments for you.
Okay, so no relationship right now. Just keep single for me.
Yes, because 1st house, it doesn't connect to relationship. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah.
That is how the things are. That is how things are, because when you put more focus towards career, and of course the relationship is not balanced, but this is what life is all about. If career is 80%, maybe relationship is 20%.
Yeah. Focus is the key. And the second thing is to look into which house that these
dasha or antardasha is connected to. Now let's check your sun, because your sun energy alignment will be activated from 2023 to 2028. So you should always check on that also. What is it saying? So where exactly is sun sitting? The 6th house is activated. That means service to others. It is also in conjunction with Ketu and Mercury. What is Mercury? Mercury is your throat chakra.
Yeah, I can't stop speaking.
Yeah. You give service to others through your throat chakra,
Wow.
through your communication, through your mind, because that is what you're doing. You are creating that beautiful strategies for others. You are just sharing with your throat, with your communication skills.
Exactly what I'm doing.
Yeah, and that is a service to others. It will be activated till 2028.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Full year.
Yes. What exactly is it saying? It is also in conjunction with Ketu. Ketu is the south node. Ketu is also connects to the detachment. Can you see what kind of energy is it sitting in? Taurus. Taurus is grounded energy. You are grounded right now. You're bringing that beautiful grounding energy.
Yeah.
So all of this is sitting in that ground. That is the planetary energy which is activated right now. It is also activating Jupiter in the 10th house. And now let's see where is number 2, Venus sitting, 4th house. So work from home, that nurturing feeling for others.
Yeah, it's amazing, like how Vedic chart can bring us this clarity. Because sometimes we always wonder, okay, which career should I take, and when exactly should I, what to do? It's very accurate. And so when we look into birth charts, well, it's too complicated. I cannot even analyze what it is. So we suggest that we need to look for a real astrology reader instead of find a Gemini or ChatGPT to look into it, because AI, they cannot give you this kind of clarity. They always give you mistakes. So bear in mind. And also, if we look into my career path and also my finance potential, what else do you see?
I can see when we check the career, Saturn is the main planet we should be looking at. We should never ignore Saturn. Where exactly?
Respect.
Yes, he is a senior project manager. We should always respect him.
Okay, and like financial department manager.
Yes. Finance, yes. Finance is Jupiter, but it's okay. We can, okay, let's see what exactly is Saturn doing. Saturn is sitting in his own house in Aquarius sign in 3rd house. This is 1st house, 2nd house, and 3rd house. Saturn is sitting in the 3rd house in the sign of Aquarius. What is it trying to tell you? Aquarius is all about forward thinking. Aquarius is you are 20 steps ahead with what other people are thinking. And sometimes when you're in a group, that group might be in the current timeline, current thinking pattern, but you are like the next gen. And sometimes you don't feel fit in. Is that true?
Yeah, true, exactly. Yeah, I always have this kind of feeling.
Yeah.
I need to find the community that I feel like I can, mostly resonate with.
So Saturn, it's trying to tell you, you have to hold on to what you believe in, but also bring structure to that message you want to tell to the group. You have to trying to fit that structure, that groundiness in all of your next generation thinking pattern. That's where you will feel the alignment.
Okay, great. That's also exactly what I want to do. The next plan. Step 1 is look into the timing.
Yes.
And step 2
is your 10th house of career. And now we will see your 2nd house of finance. Finance house is basically connected with the 2nd house. 2nd house is all about where your income is coming from, and also the 11th house. 11th house is gains from your career. So career is 10th house. 11th house is the gains from the career.
I see.
And what you want to achieve, all your desires is connected to 11th house. So first we will focus on the 2nd house. Can you see 2nd house is ruled by Capricorn. Where is Capricorn sitting? In the 3rd house, as we just discussed for your career. Now the 2nd house is, so for 2nd house is 2, 3 for Saturn. Okay. Now what is it trying to say? You have to activate the 3rd house in a very strong way if you want to bring money in. That is your source of money. What is 3rd house? 3rd house is communication. 3rd house is going online, videos, podcasts, YouTube, documents, anything, which is all about communication. The throat chakra, your arms. You know what is arms? This is, the way we communicate. So you use your arms and body language. Yes, body language. Exactly. Body language, your throat, that if you utilize that, it will start generating money because it will activate the second house, the third house to bring the money in.
Watch me win the money back.
Whoa. I just want to share something from your dasha that we just spoke about. Can you see in this sun period, after the Jupiter ends, on September 26, Saturn is getting activated. What is Saturn doing here? Saturn is definitely bringing more structure, more discipline in your life. It's okay, because we do need that structure, that discipline, but it is also bringing money. And it is also activating your podcast career. It is also activating that beautiful energy that you want to go for. Wow. So from September onwards, it's going to be a beautiful time for you.
Yeah,
Don't be ever scared of Saturn because it is a beautiful energy.
I do love Saturn energy. Yes. It gives me more grounded and
structure in your life.
We all need discipline. I mean, discipline leads to freedom. Okay.
The 11th house is 7. 7 is Libra energy. Libra energy is all about balancing, and it is connected where is a lot of Libra. Venus.
Yeah.
Where is it sitting? In your 4th house. Connected to Jupiter energy of your 10th house. See how is it all connected and beautifully related to it. So you should all never stop working from home.
All right.
Whenever you're working from home, and there's something I want to tell about the Venus energy. Venus love brand. Make your own brand, girl. Make a brand.
Go.
Venus will love that.
Okay, I'll just go for it.
And bring that brand energy in, and that brand bring those beautiful colors in it.
Good.
When you're working from home, the place where you're working, activate the Venus energy. Make it beautiful, soothing energy. Venus love beauty. Venus love art.
Yeah.
Put those art pictures around your workplace, in your home.
Mm-hmm.
You should be having a work desk. Make that as your Venus work desk.
Wow.
And see how the career, the money flow just start activates in your life.
So home is my new sanctuary.
Yes, it is. And you can always take a little perfume and just keep spraying. Venus is perfume.
Hey, cool. I would love to connect with that energy. Also, Venus connects to money, right?
Yes, Venus is beautiful money energy.
And abundance. So, as we went through all my birth charts, I'll share a little bit of modern and Western perspective to look into my birth chart. Because previously we just analyzed my Vedic chart, right? And I'm so surprised because it all aligned with the Western perspective.
Oh.
So as I look into my 10th house and my 2nd house, which is our financial department manager. Exactly, right?
Yeah, CFO.
So 10th house could be like probably relationship department. I don't know.
7th house is your relationship.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
So as I look into that part, I realized that, my career path is highly connected with the soul transformation and also healing as well.
Wow.
And the more I heal myself, the more I transform myself, the more money comes in.
Yes.
And the more I help others to transform and heal themselves through content or through healing, I can, help others transform themselves.
It opens that money energy for you.
Yeah, and also, exactly. You activate the money energy to me.
Yeah.
So it's all connected.
Yes, it is.
And it's exactly the same.
Yeah. As the Vedic is saying.
Yes. It almost feels like a blueprint.
Yes.
It feels like a DNA design.
Yes.